If Photoshop is slowing down, warning you about scratch disks, or just taking up way too much space, this video is going to help you fix it fast. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to clear Photoshop's scratch disk space in 2026 using two simple methods that can free up a surprising amount of storage. And before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, we're going to clear Photoshop's internal cache. If Photoshop is currently open, this is the fastest way to reclaim hidden temporary storage without having to close your project right away. At the top menu bar, click Edit, then go down to Purge, and then choose All. Photoshop will show you a warning message telling you that this action cannot be undone. That's because purging removes your undo history states and clipboard beta, so make sure you're okay with that before continuing. If you are, click OK, and Photoshop will clear out that internal cache. This can instantly free up space and help the program run more smoothly. Now, if Photoshop crashed recently or has been behaving strangely, there may be another bigger issue causing the scratch disk to fill up, and that's leftover temporary files. These files can take up a huge amount of space on your hard drive, especially after a crash or a heavy editing session. To remove them, you need to close Photoshop completely first. This is important because if the app is still running, it won't let you delete those temporary files. Once Photoshop is closed, go to the temporary files folder on your computer. If you're on Windows, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the run box. Then type %temp% and hit Enter. This will open your system's temporary folder. Inside, look for any files or folders that start with Photoshop temp or PST, followed by a long string of numbers. These are the files you want to remove. Select them, delete them, and then empty your recycle bin or trash so the space is actually recovered. If you see a lot of these files, that's completely normal after a crash or after working with large files. Deleting them can make a big difference and is often the easiest way to clear scratch disk space in Photoshop. If Photoshop still warns you about scratch disk limits after doing this, you may also want to restart your computer so Windows can fully release any locked temporary resources. And remember, if you ever run into this again, the same process applies. First, purge Photoshop's internal cache from the Edit menu, and second, manually delete those temporary Photoshop files from your temp folder. These two steps are the safest and most effective ways to free up space without reinstalling the app or losing time troubleshooting for hours. If this video helped you clear scratch disk space in Photoshop, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials, practical tips, and fast fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.